Hello friends, welcome to Tech. Today I'm going to explain you how to use PhotoScape X. This is a Windows version, the Windows Store version, PhotoScape X Pro, or we have another one called PhotoScape. It's a normal version. So we have more advanced features on PhotoScape X, so I'm going to demonstrate the PhotoScape X. So for downloading that, it's a free version. Go to PhotoScape X, download in Google, click here and download this for Windows version. So it's very easy and free to use tool, and there is a pro version also for this. I'll explain you later. So this is a viewer to view how to view the features. So I just browse the desktop, and then on the desktop I have a folder named PhotoScape Testing. I have added these photos for your demonstration. So go to editor. So if you want to edit any of these pictures, so if you are seeing this very little, so then we can go for viewer and check. We can increase the size also, and then go to editor. So there are more lot of so if you click here arrows, so it will go to the next picture. So there is a hell lot of options in PhotoScape X. So it can be used by anyone. It's not like Photoshop, you have to learn multimedia. This is very easy tool. So I'm going to show you one by one, which are very important for your basic editing. So here we have a resize option. So if you want to resize the picture, you can select the width, height, and we can resize that. And then we have a crop option. Go here and crop. So there is in presets also one by one. That is like, if you want to put a DP for WhatsApp or Facebook, select one by one. So I crop this picture. So there are different presets like grayscale or sepia, bandicoot, and negative, and everything. So anything you can do. If you want to revert back, click on undo button here, undo. If you want to revert back to the original one, click revert, so it will go for the original picture. So I'm going to crop this picture here. I'm going for free, so I crop this. And then there are many other options: auto construct, soften skin, color fill, pattern fill. So all these options you can try one by one. And then we have another option, effects. So all these are triangular, crystal. So if you click one by one, you will see the different effects on pictures and the transformations, offset, stretch. You can select the axis, y axis. So you got it right, how it is working. So there are different options: lens correction, wrap. So this is a pro version, so we can't use this. So there are many free options available for free version, and pro version has a different one, so you have to buy that. So now I'm going for color. So there are many things here. So you can set the temperature, warm or cold, or the tint between violet to green. So saturation, that increase the color. So I'm going to saturate this. I'm going to reduce the contrast also. I click on HDR, it will go for HD picture. Magic color, vibrance. So many things you can do like this: deepen, darken. And then we have an option called film. Here we have a preset effects. So Provia, Velvia, Portia, Afga. So there are different options. So if you want to select anything, you can select, or there are bold photos option. So you can make the picture as a bold spoiled picture, like jewel tone. Overlays. So you can put some overlays on the pictures, so that looks some grainy. Dirt and scratches. So the scratches, you can do this. That's it from here. And then go for light. There are different light options here. So you can see the lens flares, light leaks. So you can set the angle also, light leak angle. Okay. Whatever we want, you can customize that. So there are different options. Lens flare option. So there are different lens available, like stars, and you can also change the direction of this lens. Lights, bokeh. So there are some different bokeh effects also. We can change the brightness, scale, angle, everything. So like this. Brightness also you can decrease or increase. Angle, aspect ratio. So many things you can do. And then go for frame. So there are different frames available for free, and if you go down there are some pro version frames also, so these free frames are more than enough. So I'm going to put a frame for this, so this one for example, or this one. And there are also shapes, so if you want to fill the image into a shape, you can do this, or a border. You see this, you can put borders, and the stroke size you can increase, anything you can do. And then we have a different options for insert. If you want to add a figure like this, arrow, line, anything you can do. I'm doing it. And if you want to add a image like any other image, if you want to overlap on this, you can do that. For example, I can put this image here, or if you have any PNG images, you can directly import to this. And then a text option. So there are different types of text available. Dot, so you can see. So here, if you want to change this text, go here, enter your name or something what you want to enter. So I'm just entering Wavre. This is my site name, so Wavre. So also we have a different option like outer glow or top shadow, everything you can select. Gradient, so there are different gradients, colors you can select on the image. And then go for magnifier. If you want to magnify something, you can do this. You can magnify anything like this, it will be fixed. Click on undo, it will go to the previous one. So I'm undoing it. And we have another option, cutout. So using this you can just trim the image. So if you want to remove the background of this, there is magic eraser, lasso and brush. So if I select magic eraser, if I select this, so the complete white color will get vanished. If I select this, this will be vanished. This. Now you see everything got vanished. So there are some little parts who are remaining. So I can go for brush and I can do like this. So this also got deleted. So you can go for minus restore option. Like this, you can restore that. If you want to cut a particular thing, go for lasso. Slightly you can do this. So slowly you can do this. I don't have time, so I'm just not doing. So I selected restore, that's why it came back. But if you select cut, it will get cut. See, it got cut. So this is different option for edit. And we have a batch option. So if you want to do a batch editing, I want to select all these pictures and I want to insert a text on this. So I'm gonna put a watermark. For example, I'm going to text here Wavre tech. Okay, so sorry, it went out. Wavre tech. So I'm going to resize this. There are different options you can select from here, gradient or color or anything. So this can be a watermark. You can set the location also and click on save. It will ask for the location where to save. I selected desktop for. Okay, that's it. Now you can see all the pictures will have watermarks. See, this picture also has, but it went down, you see. Okay, and you can also add a frame and batch to that. You can also resize that, crop, anything you can do with batch converting. And we have a collage option. So using this collage, you can add two pictures like this one and this one, or this one. And there are different frames. Whatever you want, you can do. You can increase the size and check. So this is the collage option. So click on save, it will get saved. And we have a combine option, so we can combine two images. So for example, if I want to combine these two, this is vertical, So if I want to do that horizontal, if it is a tile, you can select the tile size also. Columns 1 I selected, so 2 or 3, anything you can do. And create GIF option, you can add 2 images or 3, you can make this as a GIF. So stop here, go to transaction effect. For example, I'm selecting zoom, apply selected, play. Now you see all the images will be converted into GIF. If you save that, it will save as a GIF file. And there is a print option, so you can print your pictures from here, drop your pictures into a different sizes like this. So based on the size you select here, portrait or A4, anything, you can just print the pictures. And there are some other tools like screen capture, color picture rename and all. So this is how we use PhotoScape. There is another option in PhotoScape. If you click on this PhotoScape logo, there is a different tutorials, you can find it. So click on any tutorial or click on play, then you will get a deep dive videos about how to use that. So for example, text wrap, if you want to see how to wrap the text, this is a tutorial. So there are hell lot of tutorials that were available for free for PhotoScape users. So this is how we use PhotoScape. So in case if you have any questions, please comment us on the video. Thanks for watching our videos. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.